food. Look at them. Okay, guys, I will give you food. I'm going to keep food again. I put nuts again. That's pecan nut.
A few moments later.
Here is she. She's eating again. She's eating. Yummy, yummy pecans. They love pecans. Yummy. And look at that. She's so cute. Holding the food. And the bird. Oh, look at that. She's looking at me. She's looking at me. Yummy. Look at that. The bird is there eating. The bird is scared of me.